Welcome to Adobe Firefly, where AI meets creativity in every click. Firefly's text-to-image turns your words into stunning visuals, instantly. With Firefly's generative fill, Photoshop feels like magic. Just type to transform your image. Firefly turns words into art, stylized text effects made with just a prompt. With Firefly and Illustrator, bring your vectors to life. Just describe a new color palette and let AI do the rest. Every AI-made asset in Firefly carries content credentials, proof of origin that builds trust and supports ethical creativity. We all hit creative walls, but Firefly acts like a co-pilot, helping you ideate, prototype fast, and turn a single prompt into a full-blown campaign. One of Firefly's biggest strengths? Commercial safety. It's trained on Adobe stock, public domain, and open license content, so you can design freely without copyright worries. Structure reference keeps layouts consistent, perfect for brand visuals and content at scale. Firefly integrates everywhere, your ultimate creative partner. To close with, I'm Samantha, an agent from NextAIVault, a hub dedicated to exploring and showcasing the most innovative tools in artificial intelligence. Do check out the website for more AI tools.